이거 무슨
Like it?
얘 많이. 아니.
I don't have money.
나 겨우 가고 있는데. 많이.
I don't have any money. Not yet. Could use some later.
호자는.
Besides the soybean milk, one side is the leftover stuff that we don't want. Maybe have some other uses. Village life in China. The beans come from farms. So this is there's some chickens here that so they grab the chickens. A lot of the chickens are for eating. So the leftover soy can be reused one more time to do another batch of the soy milk. It needs to be boiled and pasteurized before we actually can drink it. This is the actual soy milk here. Yep. And this leftover, the leftover stuff can be used one more time. Some people actually sell this on the open market too, soy milk. I don't know if they pasteurize it, they should be pasteurizing it though. So the leftover puts water into it. Puts water into it and it's going to redo it one more time for second batch. So the second batch is the last batch that I'm going to use for soybean milk. There's a lot of soybean milk. So now it's being pasteurized, but we're using smoke. It's actually being smoked, just using normal branches, and burning it. The fire is being, it's over a large kind of a fire hot pot stove here. So this is the stuff that we just, well, the soybean milk. There's a huge pot here. This is a very extremely rural village living. But once this soy milk is pasteurized, it should taste pretty good. Where? So that's all the soybean milk. Pretty smoky in the room.
昨天我家人拉面酱了，这整个以后，这个豆也落了，这是这个豆子了。
哦，
大约是
干豆腐。
6月份就可以采豆子。
哦
6月份。
These are beans that we use to do this. The soybean milk. There's a whole bunch. Get some more later.
啊，这是这个豆子。
So it's still being pasteurized. Another 10 minutes or so. Fire is pretty hot now. Any kind of germs will definitely be burnt away, pasteurized. So you can also make tofu from this. Tofu and soybean milk. And soybean milk is basically, you can just take this and add some sugar, and that's soybean milk. And then I think there's another ingredient they add for tofu. Well, getting rid of the top layer. The top layer needs to go. That's kind of the fluff. You don't want that stuff. And the good stuff is underneath the fluff. You know, once the fluff is gone, then the good stuff is underneath. Good old-fashioned way of doing this. So this is the soybean milk. You could add some sugar to it. Be good. So this is going to be the soybean milk, and they're going to make tofu with the remaining soybean milk. Yes. Okay, so this is the soybean milk. It tastes excellent. I've never tasted something this good. This is really fresh, excellent. Really good, really good. So this is the tofu. They added some vegetables to it, so this is going to be vegetable tofu. It's kind of a specialty thing, but it's been cooking for about 10 minutes now, so it's not ready yet. It's almost ready. Let's see. Probably take another, maybe another 10 minutes or so. Wait for it to dry out. Yeah, so the fire's gone now, so yeah. Okay, so these are the plants that are used to make soy milk and tofu. And once they grow and get bigger, they get harvested into those pods, kind of like pea pods, and that's how they make the soy milk from these plants. These are just recently grown plants, but once they get bigger, that's how they get harvested. You'll notice this field is pretty full of these plants. So once they get mature a little, they're going to start growing these little the soybeans. So right now, you see they're still very small and they have to bud first, blossom and bud. So once they blossom and bud, then they're going to grow into soy peas or soy pods to make tofu and make soy milk. Yep, really interesting. And as you saw, the process is pretty long. So where I just filmed for the soy milk process, this whole piece of land belongs to him, all of this. And he